When we were born, we were surrounded by love. Love is like a strong and caring force that connects us right from the start. As we go through life, the choices we make affect our feelings, and we have control over how much love or hate we have. This video is about how love has a big impact on how humans have evolved. Love is like a language that everyone understands, no matter where they come from. It's the foundation of our relationships, starting from the care we get from our parents to the warmth we share with friends. Love is a powerful force that brings communities and societies together, making us feel like we belong and are safe. Unlike animals who act on instinct, humans can choose whether to love or hate. Our thoughts, actions, and words shape the world around us. When we choose to love concisely, we help ourselves and society becomes better. But hate just divides us and makes our connections weaker. Love helps societies progress and move forward. It's the driving force behind new ideas, collaborations, and positive changes. For humanity to be happy and healthy, it's important for us to feel united, embracing our differences and understanding that we are all connected by love can create a world that's more inclusive and tolerant. When we come together despite our differences, we can grow and understand each other better. Education is a big player in shaping how we see the world. By teaching younger generations about love, empathy, and tolerance, we are setting the stage for a kinder society. Understanding the importance of love helps individuals make choices that make the world a better place. In the big picture of human existence, love is what ties us all together. By realizing that we can choose love over hate, working towards unity, and understand how important love is in our growth, we can make the world a better and more peaceful place. We need love to create a world where kindness and understanding are more important than anything else. As humans, our minds are influenced by evolutionary drives that helped us survive. Our environment, especially our parents, teaches us how to handle aggression. Unlike animals, humans can distinguish between a real threat and something that just seems like a threat. This involves controlling our aggressive impulses and aggression, the intentions of others. Mastering the skill of loving requires constant effort and commitment. Recognizing the goodness in others is hindered by your tendency to differentiate between people who are like us and those who are not. This division can lead to a sense of superiority and even hatred. Humility, recognizing our commonality, is essential for loving others. This requires a mature mental approach to dissolve the concept of othering in our heads. Even if we belong to different groups based on background, culture, religion, or heritage. Here, I would like to talk about the concept of othering. Othering is a social psychology concept that refers to the process of excluding and marginalizing someone because of their race, ethnicity, gender, identity, sexual orientations, class, or another demographic identifier. Authorization leads people to make premature judgments about another person's character and personality rather than participating in a dialectic about a person's individuality and innate dignity as a human being. Ongoing efforts to move towards a more loving and understanding civilization, stating that history shows this is possible. The mention of World Kindness Day highlights the importance of increasing the number of people embracing a more compassionate human spirits. Thanks for watching.